Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at open comedones in a video titled Blackhead, Blackheads, More Blackheads. First, we have this incredible ear pop. The amateur pop uses a comedone extractor. Get yours through the Amazon link below. That link will get you to the best kit you can find. Next up is a pimple being removed with tweezers. Ah, beautiful. This cone-shaped extractor annihilates some clogged pores. Click like for the popper who's even wearing gloves. Here's another pop out of India. Amazing image this is. Next up is another ear blackhead. This looks like it would hurt to remove. Before we wrap things up, do you think these are just clogged pores or are they blackheads? Comment below. Thanks for watching.
Hi guys, this is Alexa with a shout out for the team at Thinnergy. You guys are helping people lose weight so they can look great. Keep working hard for those beach bodies to make this year your best one ever. Make every day count, and I love every single one of you. Thank you guys. Love, Alexa.